Do you want to be able to do a SEAT Ibiza cabin filter change? Stay tuned, let me show you how. The cabin filter is situated up under the left hand side of the fascia towards the centre of the car near the HVAC system, roughly above where the driver's accelerator foot, right foot, would be if this were a left-hand drive car. The filter is in the same place even if it is a left-hand drive car, in which case you may need to remove the accelerator pedal to gain access. If we look up, this is the filter holder. There's two sliders that need sliding in towards the middle, and then simply pull the cover off. That exposes the filter, which can then simply be pulled out. If you look at the side of the new filter, you should see an arrow marked airflow. The air must flow through the filter in that direction. So when you push the filter up into its housing, that arrow should point that way towards the centre of the car. So orient the filter so that the end is in the holder, and then simply push upwards. Return the cover and slide the clips back out to each end. I'll link to some filters down in the description. If you got value from this video, please like the video down by the title, and I shall see you next time.